Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to clear Wi-Fi data usage in Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down, locate and click on connections. Scroll down connections, locate and click on data usage. Under data usage, you want to scroll down, then you should say Wi-Fi data usage. Click on it. Then you should see your total Wi-Fi data usage. However, there is no direct way to clear Wi-Fi data usage on your Samsung except if you choose to reset the network settings. So, to reset your network settings, all you simply do is scroll down the settings page, locate and click on General Management. Under General Management, scroll down, locate and click on Reset. Now, scroll down the Reset page, locate and click on Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Then it should say this reset to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. This cannot be undone. Click on Reset Settings. And once you reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, then you are good. So that is exactly how to clear Wi-Fi data usage in Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.